exploring the charm of homemade specialty. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a phrase that's as warm and inviting as the concept it represents: homemade specialty. This phrase not only tickles your taste buds but also brings a sense of comfort and uniqueness. So, let's explore what makes homemade specialty so special and how you can use it in your conversations. Homemade and specialty are two words that bring to mind images of comfort, care, and uniqueness. Homemade refers to something made at home, as opposed to being mass-produced or bought from a store. It emphasizes a personal touch, care, and effort put into creating something. On the other hand, specialty signifies something that is a standout item or product, often because of its superior quality or uniqueness. When these two words come together, they form a phrase that's rich in meaning and emotion. A homemade specialty is not just any regular item made at home. It's about those dishes, crafts, or products that stand out because they are the best of what one can offer, often perfected over time through family recipes, traditions, or personal experimentation. It's that signature dish your grandma makes for special occasions, or the handcrafted gift that only you know how to create. This phrase encapsulates a sense of pride, tradition, and individuality. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few examples. Casual: you must try my mom's homemade specialty, her apple pie. It's out of this world. Formal: our restaurant is known for its homemade specialties that bring traditional flavors to the modern table. Personal: I'm planning to gift you a homemade specialty of mine, a hand-knitted scarf, for your birthday. Understanding how to incorporate homemade specialty into your dialogue can add a layer of warmth and authenticity to your conversations, making them more engaging and personal. We hope this exploration into the phrase, homemade specialty, has not only enriched your vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the homemade specialties in your life, or perhaps even create one of your own. Remember, it's the personal touch and the love we put into these specialties that make them truly unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us.